Good morning, children. How are you? I think all are safe at home. This is K. Ravishankar, your social studies teacher, DAV School, Dr. NTDPS, Ibrahimpatnam. This is the last part of the lesson 3, that is the Northern Plains. In this video, we will learn something about another basin, that is Brahmaputra Basin. Brahmaputra starts from a glacier near Manasarovar Lake in Tibet. It is known as Sangpo in Tibet language. The state of Assam that lies in this basin is surrounded by Garo, Khasi, and Naga hills on three sides. So, children, what is the origin of Brahmaputra river? It starts from a glacier near a lake. That lake is called Manasarovar, that is situated in Tibet. So it is known as Sangpo in Tibet language. The Brahmaputra river that flows through the state of Assam. So the Assam state that is surrounded by three hills, Garo, Khasi, and Naga hills. Okay, children. See the map. The Brahmaputra river originates from a glacier in Tibet. In Tibet, it is called Sangpo. Garo, Khasi, and Naga hills, these three are covered Assam state. The Brahmaputra basin lies in the eastern part of the northern plains. Children, see the picture. The Brahmaputra river that flows through the states of Assam and West Bengal. So after flowing through Assam and West Bengal, it enters Bangladesh and joins Padma river. The main crops of this region are rice, tea, and jute. So these are the three main crops that are grown in this region. The Brahmaputra basin gets heavy rainfall. Heavy flood occurs during rainy season. So the Brahmaputra basin gets heavy rainfall and also heavy floods. Now let us see the tributaries. So these are the left bank tributaries of Brahmaputra. Dibang river called by Dimsa tribe. Lohit river, Dhansari river, Kolang river. So these are the left bank tributaries. Now let us see right bank tributaries. Kameng river, Manas river, Beki river, Raidak river, Jaldaka river, Titsa river, Subansiri river. So these are the right bank tributaries of Brahmaputra. The world's largest river island, Majuli, is also related to Brahmaputra basin. Children, see the picture, that is Majuli Island. Most of the persons simply called it as God's creation. Why? Because it looks so beautiful. Now let us learn something about the Yamuna river. The river Yamuna originates at Yamunotri. See the picture, children. After Yamunotri, the river Yamuna joined by the rivers Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, and Kane. The Ganga and the Yamuna meet at Allahabad. This place is called Sangam, the Triveni Sangam. The Ganga and the Yamuna and Saraswati, all the three rivers that joined at one place. That is called the Triveni Sangam. Children, see the picture, that is the Kumbh Mela. It is so famous in Haridwar. This festival is celebrated every 12 years. Now the topic is over. Then we will go for recapitulation. The northern plains of India are the largest plains in the world. Most of India's rice is grown here. So it is called rice bowl of India. So most of the person simply called it as rice bowl of India. The northern plains consist mainly of three river basins: the Sutlej basin, the Ganga basin, the Brahmaputra basin. Now let us see Sutlej basin. The states of Punjab and Haryana are located in this basin. The climate is hot during summer season. The surface of the northern plains is slightly higher at Ambala in Haryana. This is an important point. Now let us see Ganga basin. It originates from the Gangotri glacier. This basin is very fertile. It is joined by rivers Bhagirathi, Mandakini, and Alaknanda. The Ganga is joined by small rivers such as Gandak, Gagra, Kosi, and so on. Rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra forms the largest delta, that is known as Sundarbans. Delta means a triangular part of an area where the rivers divide into so many small rivers before flowing into sea. That is called delta. Children, already we have learned what is delta. Sundarban Delta is the largest delta. Sundarban National Park is situated here. It is so famous for tigers. Now let us see Brahmaputra basin. It lies in the eastern part. The basin receives heavy rainfall. This river flows through the states of Assam and West Bengal. I think all of you understood. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.